So here we have taken a few part of the hair and making the side half ponytail. Now in this way we are using the each part of the hair, making the ponytail and inserting into it to make the bun in this way, as you can see in the video. Beautifully done. In the next, again we are making a half ponytail and inserting the rest of the hair in this way, making a braid, tuck it up with baby pin. It's ready. Beautifully done. In the next, again we are making a half ponytail and rest of the hair making a ponytail. Now tuck it up in this way and the rest of the hair we are using this way to make the bun. In the next, again we are making a half ponytail and inserting into it, taking the rest part of the hair in this way and inserting in this way, as you can see. This is another kind of hair bun you ever seen. Beautifully done. In the next, we are using the same way to making another way of bun. So just taking each part of the hair, inserting into the half bun, as you can see. Now the rest part of the hair making its braid and inserting it to it. Beautifully done. In the next, we are using the each side of the hair in this way, making its ponytail and dividing into this part, and again tuck it up with rubber band, folding it up in this way. Now taking each part of the hair and making the side braid, rolling it up around the bun. Another kind of bun is ready. Now here we have made a half ponytail, inserting into this that shapes like a heart. Now taking each part of the hair, making the side braid, rolling it up, tucking onto it with the help of wave pin. Beautifully done. Now here we have made a ponytail now by using this stick, rolling it up into this way. It's another way of bun is ready. In the next, again we have made a half ponytail, inserting the half ponytail and now making the rest part side ponytail, inserting into it, taking the each part, making its braid. It's ready. Beautifully done. Now here we have made a half ponytail, so just taking the side part of the hair in this way, making the three part of the ponytail and inserting into it. Now for the rest part we have made a braid and folding it up. In the next, we have using the rubber band and taking the each side of the hair, making its half ponytail, and with the help of finger we are twisting in this way. Beautifully done. In the next, we are making a half ponytail and taking the rest of the hair, making its braid by using the each side of the hair, as you can see in the video. It creates a fringe style braid. It's ready. Beautifully done. In the next, we have divided a hair into three parts, making the braid for the back side of the hair, taking the rest side of the hair and inserting into it in this way, as you can see in the video. It's beautifully done. Tuck it up with the help of baby pin. It's ready. In the next, we have made a half ponytail, dividing the ponytail into three parts, making its braid, taking all together and tuck it up. It's ready. Beautifully done. Here we have divided a hair into three parts and tuck it up into it in this way, as you can see in the video. Now taking each part of the hair and with the help of the rest of the hair of the ponytail, we just insert each part into it. The bun is ready. Hope you guys like the video. Thank you for watching.